Hey you guys, I am making some steak and I am gonna put this steak. I already had this chuck steak seasoned inside of the bowl, so I'm gonna lay this chuck steak here. As you can see, that is coated with some seasoning that was already in it. So I'm gonna let this steak just cook on one side and then turn it over. Sorry for the water, you guys. Let it marinate a little, and then from there we're just gonna turn it up because I want it to brown on both sides. So yeah, you guys, this is a big steak, and yeah, so I'm gonna let this steak just cook, brown on one side, and then turn it over. Before I cover it, I'm not going to cover it just yet because I want it to brown on both ends, and then once it brown on both ends, then I'm going to add all the extra stuff to it, and I will be right back. We're going to watch it, well actually we're going to watch it fry just a little. See how that steak is frying? We're just gonna let it cook on one end and then keep turning it over. Keep turning that steak over. Sorry you guys for the water, I got the water running. So we're gonna let that steak just cook. Cook. Alright, it turned, you see it? It just turned a different color on one side, so I'm just going to turn it on this side. And then let that fry like that. And then I'm going to start adding its ingredients. I'm going to turn the fire down because I don't want it to brown too quick. So we're going to turn it to low. So just let that just pop and just cook. But before I cover it, I want to add my favorite mixtures. Okay, I'm going to add the favorite mixtures. Okay. So, I'm going to add some favorite mixtures. So now we're going to add our red pepper, green pepper. You guys know how much I love red pepper and green pepper. Okay. I like to add a lot because I'm in love with red pepper, green pepper. And you guys know I love my red onions, okay? You know I love my red onions. So I'm going to add some red onions. Okay. And then we're going to let that just cook and let that simmer with the top on that steak and just let that marinate. I will be right back. So now the steak has simmered. See how the juice is like all out? A lot of juice is appearing. So this is going to be pretty good. Looking really good. You got everything just simmering with this steak. So I want all the onions and peppers and stuff to sit on top while this is really cooking. And then we're going to put the top back on and let it simmer some more. So we're going to take this cover over. And yeah, I'm gonna have this on low, you guys. As you can see, this steak is really cooking. This is a big chuck steak, you guys. So I'm gonna let this just marinate on top. So all of that, all the juices can get on one side. But I also want to make sure that there's No onions or anything underneath it because I want that meat to like really cook. So we're just gonna add some more onions and flavors on top. Get that juice up there. Okay. Get that juice up there and just let it simmer. Then we're gonna put the top and let it cook some more.